Hello, what's up? This is 2Houdong, and this is my proposal 2 puzzle mechanic. The objective of the mechanic is to allow the player to solve a series of environmental or logic-based puzzles to progress in the game. So this is my first puzzle. It's a wire puzzle. And in this puzzle, the player has to connect the red and green wire to the purple one. And in this puzzle, the player will be able to rotation each of the block in the puzzle. And for this puzzle, I will probably create a 4x4 shape as individual actors and set up a blueprint that allows player to interact with each block. And the player will be able to use mouse click to rotation each block in 90 degrees. And after each rotation, we will check for connections between blocks. If the endpoints of them are valid connection, they will be considered connected. This is my second puzzle. It will be an old-fashioned clock, and the player needs to set the correct time to the clock. For this clock, I will probably create two actors, one for hour and one for minute hands. And I will attach each actors to the clock object and set their rotation center, and the player will able to interaction with the clock hands. And after each rotation, we'll also check for status. And the third one is a pretty simple one. It is a locker with 3-digit number, and for each digit, it will be a separate element that can be controlled by the player. And the player will be able to scroll up or down to increase or decrease the value. And we will allow the player to switch between digits to modify 3-digit combination. And there will also be two hints in the demo. The first one is a piece of paper, and it tells the player how to modify the time of the clock. And the second one will be a piece of paper that shows the password of the 3-digit number safe. So the demo will be like this. The player will respond in the room 1. And in room 1, the player will find the first hint, which is for the clock. And the player will see the safe, but the player will not have the password for the safe. So first of all, the player has to solve the wire puzzle to get in room 2. And in room 2, the player will solve the clock puzzle to get the hint 2. The hint 2 is for the 3-digit safe, and the player will return to room 1 and open the safe with the hint 2. And that's it. Thank you so much.